it's time for Circle. We're going to look at the date. It is May, and we are filling up our May calendar so quickly. Today is the 27th day of May. Let's go ahead and sing our Days of the Week song. Figure out what today's day is. Ready? Let's sing. Clap, clap. Clap, clap. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Your turn. Good job. I heard you singing. Nice. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. And today is Thursday, May 27th, 2021. We have one more day in May in school. And then we'll be switching to a new month, our last month for school. All right, we said it was going to be sunny today. Was that a good prediction?
No.
Yes, it is very sunny. Sunny and hot. What kind of weather are we going to have tomorrow for our Friday?
Rain.
Rainy?
Sunny.
Windy? It did rain last night. And it was very windy too. All right, let's see what happens there. Let's say our alphabet together. Remember, we're saying it, not singing it. Starting right here. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Counting all the way to 15. Let's get it done. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, counting backwards from 8. Here we go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Blast off. Very nice. All right, looking at some colors. What colors right here?
Red.
Red. Anger is red. Good job. What about sadness? What color is she?
Blue.
What about my chocolate? What color is that?
Brown.
Brown. Very nice. We're looking at some shapes. What shape is brown?
Diamond.
Diamond or
Rhombus.
rhombus. What shape is yellow?
Star.
Star. What shape is blue?
Rectangle.
Not rectangle. Triangle. All right, our nursery rhyme this week is rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Rain, rain, go away. Little children want to play. So magic C's are what make the letter Q, and I need 2 magic C's. Now I can't use 2 big lines, they're not magical. I can't use 2 little lines, they're not magical. I have to use my big curve, my magic C, to make the letter O, and then I use a little slide to make the letter Q. So to make the letter O, how do we make it? Remember the song? Fingers at the top. We say, let's make the letter Q. I'll show you how. Start at the top, go this way now. Keep on going, please don't stop. It's the letter O when you get to the top, but we want the Q, so we have to put in a what? Don't forget the little slide. And then what letter did we make? Q. What does Q say? Wah, wah, wah. Excellent. Thanks for joining us for Circle. We'll see you tomorrow.